Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 28th to July the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, dun lang po ako nagla-live din. No? You might want to join and you're very much welcome. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable po by yes or no. No? So Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Capricorn, magsimula na tayo. Parang meron talaga dito nakagawa ng kasalanan. Now, whether this is you or your person, no, or pwedeng it's both of you. What I am reading in here is the dynamics. So, si person A, sabihin natin siya na muna ang may sala, no? Si person B, sabihin natin wala. Kasi so far, may isa ditong naglilinis ng kanyang putik, no? Naglilinis ng kanyang mga nagawang kalat, no? Tapos yung isa naman, parang ang pinapakita dito is, sige, wala muna akong pakialam, no? Hahayaan kita. Total, kalat mo yan, hindi dahil sa hindi kita mahal kita, pero ayoko maglinis ng kalat ng iba, no? Huwag mo akong idamay sa isang bagay na hindi ko naman ginawa. And in fact, yung iba dito, bakit kita tutulungan, no? Bakit ko ibibigay sa iyo yung tulong kung ako yung nasaktan mo? Para naman akong Panginoon, no? Gagawa ako ng excuse para sa iyo, para lang sabihin sa sarili ko na okay lang yan, hindi yan ano, no? Hindi ka naman talaga nasaktan. Kung nasaktan ako, ba't ko lolokohin yung sarili ko, no? So parang meron ditong energetic separation. So energetic separations, ito yung nag-lessen yung pakikipag-usap, no? Nag-lessen itong pakikipagkita, yung iba siguro nagtatago or tinaguan, no? Up until the other person straighten things out, no? It doesn't mean again that person A don't love person B doesn't love person A, no? Di ba si person A nga yung nakagawang kasalanan? Si person B yung tama ba? O basta si person A na lang yung nakagawa ng kasalanan. Si person B, etong nonchalant, no? Mukhang nonchalant. Pero hindi naman kasi there's emotion. In fact, if I can, no? Pero hindi ka rin kasi, kumbaga sinasabi ng person B, hindi ka naman matututo kung palagi na lang ako nakaalalay, no? I think that this is the time for you to stand on your own 2 feet. Yun ang sinasabi ni person B kay person A. So this time, I am loving you from afar. So parang sabihin natin, nagbe-babysit, no, si person B for the longest time. And then si person B ngayon, I think kaya mo naman ng maglakad, no? Go ahead. Maglakad ka, nadapa. Kaya mo yan, no? I'm cheering you up. Probably, I'm just hiding somewhere. Pero alam kong kaya mo yan. Susulpot din naman ako kapag kailangan na. Pero this time, you really have to go on your own way, no? With the King of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Seven of Swords. Especially kapag siguro may mga tampo din naman na you betrayed my trust, no? Meron din talagang galit. Sabihin na natin, hindi naman plastic itong si person B. May galit. Merong, kumbaga, meron talagang sama ng loob, no? And it kind of make me feel that whatever person A is encountering right now, that is their own doing. So parang sabi ni person B dito, no? Huwag mo sa akin ibigay yung bigat, no, nitong issue mo dahil meron din akong sarili kong issue, no? I think for a few numbers of you, sabihin nating may pinagkautangan, hindi nabayaran. So parang si person B sinasabi, ang utang ni Pedro ay utang ni Pedro. Hindi mo pwedeng ipabayad yan kay Juan. Ayan, kung ano ang sala ng kapatid, hindi ko kasalanan, no? Ayan, with the Ten of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang sinasabi dito na, may pinagkautangan with the Eight of Cups. Ang inis mo na lang, no? Parang, kasi dumagdag, probably things are also piling up kay person B. No, it might be pinagkautangan mismo ng pera, hiniraman ng gamit, nasira, no? Basta there's a betrayal of trust. Ang pinakamasakit niya, baka sa'yo pa nangyari, no? With the Six of Swords and the Nine of Swords. So, medyo na-stress ka na rin. And it makes me feel like, no, sabihin natin ikaw si person B, Capricorn, no? Ang pinaka-best siguro na way, hindi sa iniiwan ko siya sa ere, no? Kasi hindi rin naman 'to magtatanda kapag lagi na lang merong nakaalalay, kapag merong nakagabay. So, what I can, the most and loving thing that I can do is to, parang lumayo ng konti, no? Kasi affected na rin ang aking mental health, 'di ba? With the sun and the star in here, kasi parang meron din tayong contributions why person A becomes who they are. Kasi baka nasanay din natin because of our deep emotion and deep love for the person. Lagi na lang tayong nakasubaybay, lagi na lang tayong, nakaguide. So parang inaantay niya ngayon, no, nadapa ako, where's my help, no? Parang sa'yo naman, oh, no, you're not getting any help from me anymore, no? Kailangan mo magkaroon ng bayag ba, no? Lalo na kung lalaki, no? Panindigan mo yan. Buntot mo, hila mo. With the Knight of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. So it kind of make me feel also that you are the person who always clean up, no? Kung ano man ito mga mess. Now this time parang nadamay ka or ikaw yung gustong i-fix nga ito. With the Three of Pentacles, you kind of make you also thought, no, na parang this is not going to happen anymore. It doesn't matter if person A is hurting right now. It felt like I'm done with helping with the Five of Cups and the Two of Cups. Pero mahirap din naman kay person B, no? Capricorn. Kasi parang nasasaktan din ako, nakikitang nasasaktan siya. Pero mas masasaktan ako kapag tinulungan ko siya kasi there is tendency na maulit muli ito tapos ako na naman. So, this is actually a tinatawag nating tough love, no? With the Six of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups, things are piling up. So madami ka ring issues na pwede na dapat, no? Yun muna ang inuuna mo, pero dahil nga itong person A na to is nakagagawa din ng kanyang mga sarili niyang issues as binabato sa iyo, tinalikuran mo muna. Actually, nag-aantay siya ng help. But I think that you are really heading on your own way. With the Eight of Wands and the Strength card, nako, this is really tough love. Parang sinabi niya dito ni person B, I am very firm right now with what I am telling you. No, parang that's actually my last chance, my last there's no last resort na tutulungan kita. I am just here, no? Then come back to me right after you finish all those mess, or cleaning all those mess. But you're not gonna receive anything from me anymore, no? So tingnan natin dito ang emotion ni person, or this could be Capricorn's emotion. Ano ba yan? Meron na iiwan. Ayan. So, Capricorn, let's check either your emotion or your person's emotion. I wish you were next to me, and do you love me the way I love you? Nako, meron parang ditong, um, anong tawag doon? Yung parang feeling niya nagagaslight siya, parang feeling niya, o di ba, pa-victim. Parang feeling niya na siya itong, um, parang may guilt trip, no? Mahal mo ba ako? Kasi mm, ine-expect kita ngayon, hindi ka naman dumadating, no? I wish kasama mo ko. I wish kasama kita habang nire-resolve ko ito. Sandali, nung kapag ba yan naging successful, sure bang kasama ako? 'Di ba? Baka mamaya ililihim mo rin sa akin yan. Tapos pag may mali, kasama ako. Ang galing naman. We can say that this can be, you know, kasi pero may hangganan din eh, di ba? Kapag kasal na nga, meron sinasabi through sickness and through health, di ba? Pero paano na lang kapag ikaw na lang palagi, di ba? Um, what if kung hindi pa naman din kasal, mas worse, dahil wala pa naman tayong oath. Pero, I did my part, sabi ni person B, di ba? Um, yeah, I think that you really need to gather your balls. And probably if you don't have one, buy one, no? So this is your reading. Capricorn, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? Um, I have Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, yeah, Capricorn, um, Aquarius. Tapos natin yung water sign, no? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are there. Invert the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Leo is also here. So this is your reading, Capricorn. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And, kung hindi niyo po maabutan ng live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po. No? Pero kung feeling niyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po yung link ng aking website. No? Click that link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form sa pinakababa, babang, no? Nandun po yung question form, how much per question, the QR code, the name that you can reference to, the amount, no? The number is also there kasi may mga kumakalat na fake accounts, so you can also use that reference kapag hindi po nag-match. So, wag na kayong tumuloy kasi merong mga fake accounts na biglang nagme-message na pretending to be me. Using the logos, the name, the logos, the videos, my ilang clips, no? Makikita nyo naman yung videos, napakadami sa original account, no? So, ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, no? So, if you may want to take advantage of that. If you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Capricorn, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no? So, please do report those accounts na nandun po sa description box. Report it, screenshot, and email it to this designated email para po makabunot tayo ng winner for a free private reading. So this is your reading, Capricorn, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.